Good evening again. Let's take a review for activity number 10. So it is a continuation sa activity number 9. Operations on rational algebraic expressions. Diba, atong i-discuss pag activity 9 is multiplication and division. So, kani ang video is for addition and subtraction of rational expressions. So, ato silang i-divide into two parts with like denominators and with unlike denominators. Okay. So, with like denominators, sayon na ni siya kayo. Kay ato arang i-plus ang numerators and then copy the denominator, then simplify. So, pareha na sila sa addition and subtraction. Okay, example is 1. X over 2x plus 3 plus 9 over 2x plus 3. So, pareha sila og denominator. So, pareha sa rule, ato na silang i-plus ang numerators. 6x plus 9. Then copy the denominator. Combine the numerator and copy the denominator. Next is, we have to find the common factors of this rational. So, may common is 6x plus 9. So, it can makadivide ta og 3, right? So, 3. Igawa si 3. 6x divided by 3 is 2x plus 9 divided by 3 is 3 over 2x plus 3. So, dili naman na simplify natin nga itong denominator. So, dili na ito hilabtan. Kopyaon lang. And then, pagkuman og factor, ato nang i-cancel ang common factors. So may common nila 2x plus 3, right? So cancel sa numerator, then cancel pa ng denominator. So ang nabilin is 3. So therefore, in this example, in this given, the answer is 3. So let's proceed to another example. So kani naana pod so kung addition ng A to B is subtraction. Okay, pareha sila og denominator. So, first one is ato ang i-apply ang distributive property. So, una na to is kopyaon sa nato ni kaning denominator. I mean numerator. And then, pag man nagikopya, apply the distributive property. So, mo na ni mong i-distribute si 9y squared. Ani ni y squared plus 16y. So, tagsa-tagsaon, distributive. Tagsa-tagsaon na to og distribute. Okay, 9y squared and then tapos na yung multiply ni si sign nga negative. So, negative times positive y squared is negative y squared. Negative times positive 16y is negative 16y. So, na. And then, simplify by combining like terms or factors. So, simplify by combining like terms. So, unsa may like terms sila, kaning pareha og exponent. So, y squared. Ato ni silang i-combine. Since it is positive and negative, so ato ni silang i-subtract. 9y squared minus y squared. So, kanay ko na si 9y squared, kuhaan ko na yung mag-isa ka y squared. So, pila may nabilin? 8y squared. Then, bring down negatives over, i-bring down si minus 16y and then copy the denominator. So, ano yung nabita? We have to factor. So, may common nila. 8y, right? So, kani si 16y, si 16, ma-divide na to ng 8, and then si y, ma-divide na to y. So 8y squared divided by 8y is y, right? 16y divided by 8y is 2. And then copy the sign, ha? Then, pareha man sila sa to ang denominator, so do the cancellation method. So, sa may nabilin? Si 8y. So, meron na siya ang like denominator. So, alita sa unlike denominators. Dili sila pareha og denominator. For example, this one. Kani. Ang unang itong paitawan is the LCD. So, in finding the LCD, katong pinaka dako para ma-cover get silang duha. Okay, si 8, atong gibahin si 8, gi-factor by 2, and then si M, and then si N. So, follow the steps na lang. Di maglibo. So, therefore, the LCD of this given is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. And then m times m times m. So there are 3m. So m cubed. And then there are 4n. So n raised to the power of 4. So therefore, money mo hang LCD. And then, okay. Ano na punta? So ang given is 8 over, I know, 5 over 8m squared and raised to the power of 4. Okay. So, ngano man ni B? Ano naman tayo? 3m over 3m. Nya kani. Para ang ato ang denominator nga si 8m squared and raised to the power of 4, i-multiply na to og 3m para mahimo siyang 24m cubed and raised to the power of 4. So, mana sila. Kung unsa ko na imong i-multiply sa denominator, mo sa imong i-multiply sa numerator. So, 3m may mong i-multiply. So, i-multiply pa nimo sa numerator which is 5. So, may man siyang 15m plus, so 4n kani sa second nga fraction or rational, i-multiply na to 4n cube tungod kay aron mora gyapon ang reason aron kaning denominator nga 6m cube n mahimo na siyang 24m cube n raised to the power of 4. So manani imuha ni silang pagkuman ni is na pareha naman sila og denominator, right? So follow the steps sa kaning like terms or like denominators. So copy the denominator and then kung wala sila common factor kaning the numerator, i-combine na sila. And then that's the final answer. Okay, let's proceed to letter B. So, subtraction. So, pareha na gyapon siya og process sa first nga kani mamitag LCD. So, factor each denominator. Factor na. And then the LCD is x plus 5 times x minus 5. So, bisan pag x minus 5 running, kasi ang denominator sa second fraction or rational, dapat ba sila patay, di ba? So, manani ang denominator and then the numerator. And then, we have to combine them. So, 4x minus 5, minus 5x plus 25, ngano na yung minus 5x, tungod kay, naman ni siya nga sign. And then, manani sila, combine like terms. So, positive 4x and negative 5x, right? So, pareha sila og terms. And then, it's positive and negative man, so we have to subtract them. 5 minus 4 is 1, right? And then, so may sign nga tong dad-on, it's positive or negative? Yes, it's negative. Tungod kay si negative 5 ang dako. So, mana negative. And then, copy the denominator. Then, mana na siya? Yun na our pag-answer. Okay, in your activity, perform the indicated operation and simplify it. Show your solutions and box your final answer. Okay, panikamot nga dili mo magamit og another paper. So, manisiyan. Then, again, do not forget to write your name. That will be all, and good luck.